All right, guys, where are we heading?
We're heading out to a mountain.
Tokerville Falls.
Tokerville Falls.
Yeah, Tokerville Falls, huh? You guys totally excited?
I'm really excited. I can't wait to go up from something up to something.
All right, we're basically at the top of like where it starts cresting the top or whatever. My transmission is hot. So there's got to be a way, because I had my fan on. I mean, we are increase. I don't know what the elevation increase is, but it's pretty good. As you saw in the video, there's some good obstacles to go over and whatnot. And just going non-stop, I think with the Ridgeline is what the downfall is with these, with the transmissions. If you can pause, take some breaks more often, I think it'll definitely help. But I'm definitely gonna have to change out the transmission fluid after this trip. Having fun? You're hungry?
Right here, you can see like that road. We can see right there. We're gonna stop up there and get a picture up there. I always do it yearly picture on the way up to the falls. So that's our next little stop. After that, it's pretty much to the falls. It's roads like this. Maybe there might be a little bit of
So we are gonna go back down. So I was parked right there, trying to get up this little hill to here. It doesn't want to. So it is too hot. So that's unfortunate. Note to self, don't push the truck so hard. Well, we stopped to have lunch, kind of on top of a knoll here on the way back down, and check out what just happened. Flat. This is why you have a spare. But it is a stick. Ugh. Right there. I'm impressed that it got in there. It wasn't a pinch on a wheel. It was a straight stick that went in. Pull it out and I'll show it to you. All right, so this is the setup so far that I got. Kids are happily playing. Got some chucks or wheel chucks down, e-brake on just in case. It's not 100% flat, but it's not too steep, so it's getting kind of high though. So I'm gonna see if I can just do what I did in Alaska, pull that off and then dig under it a little bit to line up the tire, and then hopefully I can just repair this one, but we shall see. I'm not sure if this is gonna be repairable. See if I can pull those out, but those might be, I don't know if that's even worth trying. Punctured like that. We'll see. Hey, got one of them out. Look at that thing.
Oh my God! Wow!
It's huge.
Yeah, that is a sharp piece.
Is that the hole?
Yep, it was right there. So now I gotta see if I can get that out of there. We'll see. Man, look at that. That is meant to puncture tires. This is culprit number 2. Man, burnt wood. Man, that is crazy. Supposedly these are 10-ply sidewalls. That's pretty impressive. Wow. All right, so now I'm just gonna take our rubber cement, our tire patches, or plugs I should say, our scruffer, I don't know what you would call this thing, but rough it up a little bit. And then we're gonna jab one of those plugs in actually 2 of them, here and here. We're gonna hope that that works. If all else fails, I do have an actual spare, but I'd rather not use that unless I absolutely have to, you know? For this exact reason. So basically I just stuck this in here, roughed up the inside of the holes a little bit. Sure this rubber cement grabs. Fed this right on there. So now we're gonna put some rubber cement all over this thing, all over these. Jab them in there. Yeah, bud.
Are you taking
Oh,
that
that was totally not how that was supposed to go down. That was awesome. Okay, let's see if this time works. So we're gonna put that in there like so, and then, oh darn it. And that's a big hole. I need more than one plug here. That's a big convoy of people coming up here. Just all waving. Okay, so I bent this one in half when I pulled it out, so that's good. It filled up that hole. This one only took one, so we're gonna see if that holds air after it dries for a little bit. Well, let's hope that this holds air. I'd rather not use my spare, but let's hope it holds air. As long as it does, we should be golden. And to at least get back into town and get to a tire repair shop, you know, that can really do what they need to do with it. I will say throughout this whole thing, it's been pretty awesome. Kids have been great, just playing in the dirt. Check him out. Just hucking rocks. It's amazing. Yes, hucking rocks with all strength. She's over here trying to build a fire. It's awesome. Plugged it up, so now it's just kind of wait to dry a little bit, see if we can hold air. Okay, tire is on and repaired. I'm just packing up stuff. Yeah, so the tire's repaired. It's holding pressure. We're gonna head out back down the trail and get out of here. I'll let you know the updates when I'm probably gonna see if I can just keep this on here until I get my new wheels, and then just try to use the spare at that point, put on the new wheels and use this repaired one as the spare, right? So that'd be ideal. You know, you gotta love the smell of burnt transmission fluid. That is probably it. I got it all perched up, straining. Appreciate the support, guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Be safe out there, carry spares. But yeah, have fun, enjoy, be safe. We'll see you on the next one.